Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about 2 habits that can seriously damage our health: smoking and excessive drinking. These habits are harmful to our bodies and can lead to serious health problems in the long run. Smoking can cause lung cancer, heart disease, stroke, and respiratory problems. Excessive drinking can lead to liver disease, high blood pressure, heart disease, and even certain cancers. Quitting smoking and reducing alcohol consumption can have many health benefits. It can lower the risk of developing these serious health problems, improve lung and heart health, and increase overall well-being. If you're struggling with these habits, there are many tips and strategies that can help you quit smoking or reduce your alcohol consumption. You can seek professional help, talk to your doctor, find a support group, or try nicotine replacement therapy or other treatments. Remember, the impact of smoking and excessive drinking goes beyond just physical health. It can also affect mental health, relationships, and finances. So, if you're trying to quit smoking or reduce your alcohol consumption, it's important to replace these habits with healthy ones. You can try exercise, meditation, hobbies, or spending time with loved ones. I hope these tips were helpful. Don't forget to leave a like on the video and subscribe to our channel to receive more content like this. See you next time.